I'm David Muller for MLive.com, and this is Buick's first convertible in 25 years.
It all happens with a pull or a push of this little lever in the center console.
The 2+2 seating configuration gives plenty of space for the interior. We found the center stack to be a little bit cluttered with a lot of buttons that took some getting used to. Now under the hood is a 1.6 liter turbo 4-cylinder engine that gives it about 200 horsepower. That's made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And that drivetrain gives this 2016 Buick Cascada an EPA estimated fuel economy of 20 miles per gallon city, 27 highway, and 23 combined. This 2016 Buick Cascada is priced at $36,065.